Welcome back for another Fantom price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you areas that Fantom needs to continue holding here on the charts. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Fantom is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to hold above support at around the $0.2293 mark, which is also acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And you can see that over the past few days, we have been hovering above this key area of support, which has now given us support to a point that we have now seen a break above this descending trend line that I have here on the charts. And soon all I'm watching out here on the Fantom chart is a successful retest of this key area of support at around the $0.2295 mark, and also a retest of this descending trend line. And once the retest is in and a success, then from that point we can easily see Fantom give us a massive pump to the upper side to the next key area of resistance at around the $0.27 mark. And also, in case we see further breakdown here on the charts, then this key area of support at around the $0.2295 mark needs to continue holding, because if by any chance we lose that significant area of support and maybe we see a retest and continue seeing further breakdown, then that might be suggesting a more bearish scenario on the charts, where we can see a reset of the low that we made on the 10th of June at around the $0.2131 mark. We also have a very nice chart pattern that has been in formation here on the Fantom chart that can also give us a massive breakout to the upper side. And the chart pattern is a double bottom, having our common low at around the $0.2292 mark. And this is the first bottom that we have on the chart. Then we saw the neckline giving us a high at around the $0.33 mark before we started a breakdown move, giving us the second low. And there are high chances that as long as the key area of support at around the $0.2295 mark continues to hold, we can easily see Fantom continue gearing up, see a break above resistances, and also give us a break above the neckline for the double bottom at around the $0.33 mark, and a break above the $0.33 mark. We can easily see Fantom fully maximize minimum target areas for the breakout to the upper side, and the minimum target area for the breakout is at around the $0.43 mark. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term here on the Fantom chart. And zooming out on the charts to also give you my long term Elliot wave analysis, you can see that after seeing the December lows, Fantom gave us a 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.67 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing that first wave, we started a breakdown move in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and soon we can get impulsive and fully maximize minimum target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, which is what we expect after seeing a breakdown move in the formation of that wave 2. And before all that plays out, we first need to see Fantom give us a complete 5-wave structure here on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure to confirm to us that we have a low in place for the second wave, and we are now getting impulsive in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the Fantom chart on the short term and also on the long term. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 48 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.